top favorite.
And they're on her way. Gentle Irony draws for your lead. Juggling Act is right behind in second. Next big thing is running by the rail third. Then moving up down on the inside, Diamond Dane, our solemn prayer. Tatara sneaking in down on the inside, running second last, Quattro Supra, while Beauty Express is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile pole. Now we have Gentle Irony on its favorite position as the pace setter, maintaining a length and a half lead. Then racing in second is next. Big Thing racing in third, 7A Juggling Act. Then Diamond Dane is down in fourth, racing in fifth, Our Solemn Prayer down in sixth, Tatara, seventh, Quattro Supra, while trailing the group still is Beauty Express. As they race towards the last 600, Gentle Irony still leading the field, maintaining a 2 lengths lead this time over Next Big Thing. Juggling Act getting closer in third, running now in fourth, Our Solemn Prayer. Then comes Diamond Dane, drops back in fifth. Tatara running in sixth, Quattro Supra and Beauty Express with 200 meters to go. Gentle Irony still leading the field and running on the outside is the stablemate 7A Juggling Act. We've got a couple entries in a 1-2 position as they hit towards the wire. It's going to be Gentle Irony, Juggling Act, Next Big Thing, Our Solemn Prayer, Diamond Dane, then comes Quattro Supra, Beauty Express, and Tatara.